In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Calendar for time blocking to boost productivity. Time blocking turns your calendar into a simple visual plan for the day so you always know what to work on and when. We'll build a clear structure, automate the routine, and make your schedule easy to follow across all your devices. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars and choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for the main areas of your life, like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so you can scan your week at a glance and instantly understand where your time is going. Choose high contrast colors to keep it readable, especially on mobile. Next, set your defaults so events behave the way you want. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Event Settings. Pick a default event duration. 30 or 60 minutes works for most people. Set default reminders, like 10 minutes and 1 hour before, and choose whether notifications arrive as emails or pop-ups. With these in place, you reduce decision fatigue and prevent missed tasks. Now block your day. Instead of a long to-do list, schedule focused blocks. For example, 8 to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. Show up on time, avoid multitasking, and move the block if priorities shift rather than skipping it. If you tend to overestimate, start with slightly shorter blocks and expand as needed. Make your routine run on autopilot with recurring events. Click any event and set it to repeat. Add things like weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Adjust the repeat cadence and end date so the calendar stays accurate as plans evolve. Protect your attention using focus time, out of office, and tasks. Focus time helps block meetings during deep work windows. Out of office automatically declines invites when you're unavailable, and task integration lets you place small to-dos on your calendar so they don't float around unnoticed. Finally, sync everything. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, connect your calendar with Gmail so event invites appear automatically, and link video tools like Zoom or Google Meet for instant join links. When you add events, use the description box for a meeting agenda, key notes, relevant links such as video calls or documents, and a simple checklist. With everything in one place, your calendar becomes your trusted source of truth, and your time blocks become easier to follow every single day.